Hello everyone, so the new version of Citrix LTSR is out. It's out for a few days now, the 2507, and let's not waste time and let's do the first upgrade. I will upgrade my farm black from version 2402 CU2. I will upgrade it to the new version. Let me also test it a little bit, but from my knowledge it should work. Okay. Okay, so all those applications should be from this farm. Okay, so this is a published application. Yeah, I don't have access there, and it works. So let's exit and sign out, and let's start the upgrade as usual. I will not do it with scripts. I will do the clicking way, because this is the first time and I want to see if how things have changed. Okay, run as administrator. Do I have sufficient RAM? Yeah, 5 GB. Okay, so we can do this. Okay, we have the upgrade option. Let's do it. Yeah, before the upgrade we can do some checks. It doesn't happen, nothing happens until I click next. So I have my script that checks the database connection. We can also do we can also do get broker installed DB version to see what version we now have, and DB connection. Okay, so we are good. I will just copy this to a notepad. DB, and we will compare it when it's done. Okay, save. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. We can proceed with the upgrade. Yes, we understand. Yeah, we don't have a license, I know that. Yeah, okay, next. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's do the tests. I hope they don't take too much. I will pause the video until they finish. Okay, so I'm back. The tests are fine. I don't even want to see them because they're okay. Okay, prerequisites upgrade. Okay, I want, yes, of course I want. So that warning about the licensing server is because I used the trial version of the licensing, and the upgrade process did not like that. Nevertheless, from what I see here, it will upgrade also the licensing server. Okay, I will pause the video until it goes through the prerequisites, and if it needs a restart I will come back. Okay, so the first restart, it just installed Visual C and it needs a restart. Okay, let's restart. Okay, so the server restarted. Let me try to reconnect. Same rule as usual. You continue the upgrade with the same user that you started with. If you don't do that, that screen will not show up. This one, okay. So it now continues to the 86 version. Let's wait. Okay, so another restart, so 2 restarts until now. So for each component to restart, I hope it will not need another one for the ISS. Okay, let's just wait. I will not pause the video again because it should be fast enough. So my operating system is Windows Server 2022. You can see that in the corner. Okay, server is back up. Let's give it 1 more second and reconnect. It's pretty slow. I believe in the meanwhile I can upgrade a VDA. Shouldn't I do that? No, let's wait, because it will get confusing for everyone if I do 2 things at the same time. Okay, so now the components. Okay, let's see. Do we need restarts here? Okay, so no more restarts. All the components have been upgraded. Let's go next. Telemetry and I have previously configured. Okay, next. Finish. Okay, so looks good. Let's see. No, first let's start the because I'm 100% sure that we need to do the databases. Let's go PowerShell. As administrator, let's first check the connection to the databases. Okay, so we are good, and get broker installed. server. Installed DB version. Okay, so now upgrade. Let's see. That is done, I believe, through the site manager. Run as administrator. Yes. Okay. And we have the two options, manually or automatic. I will go with automatic because my user that I just started with is also a sysadmin on the SQL server, and it will do all the necessary things. Let's see if we encounter any issues here. We shouldn't, because the versions are very close to one another. So if Citrix has done a good job, we will be able to upgrade with no issues. Okay, no failures. Everything got upgraded. Okay, close. Okay, and now if we run the same command one more time, come on, we should see a different database version. Okay, so it's changed to 7.4.5.100. Okay, so this worked. I didn't encounter any issues. Let's see how the web page, Web Studio looks like. Or first, let's see, do I still have the traditional studio? Stick Studio, yes, I have it. Let's first run this one. Okay, so this was the reason why I searched for Studio, because they want to remove the MMC variant in the future. Okay, I will check everything from the web interface, since they don't want to continue with the current version. Okay, it did not start yet. Maybe I need to do a restart of the DDC. No. Okay. Okay, new look. Okay. So let's see, home tab. Okay, machine. Yeah, they changed this. Catalogs are fine. Delivery groups. Machines are registered. Of course, the VD agent is the old one, doesn't matter. Okay, let's see applications. Everything's still there. Zones. Okay, application groups. Admins, okay. Policies. JSON. So this is the export. Okay. Okay, let's start an app. Even if the storefront. One more thing that I want to check. Let me see. Where is my licensing? This one. This should have been upgraded. Also. Okay. Settings, and Citrix told me something about usage and statistics. Yeah. This is how you want to have it in a on-premise site that does not have access to the internet. Everything else looks okay. Administrators. Okay. I don't remember what version I had before, but I believe this also got upgraded. Let's see, an app with not CPM. Okay, so I have the new versions. Okay, so should be fine. Let's test it. Let's run storefront. The storefront is still on the old version, but we can upgrade that too in another video. And let's open the notepad. Block. Okay, so it opened. Let's try the server manager. I don't know on what delivery group this is configured. Maybe it will not work. Oh, of course. I don't know why Chrome blocks it. Permit use. Okay, so on VDA, so this is the VDA. Okay, perfect. So it works. Yeah, I don't have it configured. Doesn't matter. Okay, so it was a success. I can also run my my script one more time now after it's upgraded, but I don't see any issues. Okay, so perfect, it works. Now I heard that it has some new features, but I will have to find them to see if something has changed or if we have backup and restore, setup storage. Okay, I don't remember this from the old version. I didn't have any hosting. Logging, I do still have the PowerShell. Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this was it. Upgrade to the latest and greatest. I will create other videos to see those other features, if there are any visible ones. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.